Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
Developing our cross rolls. We're going to start with the most basic foot pattern. That is to say, we just need to be able to step across ourselves from one foot to the other, walking past on, crossing our own legs every single time we make a step. A little bit like an exaggeration of a fashion model walking, but without the sass. Taking this basic foot pattern and turning it into cross rolls that move now. We're going to make sure we start with a few steps to build some momentum, start our glide, and gently walk across, allowing ourselves a moment, brief moment on 2 feet each time, getting accustomed to that sensation, two-footed crossed foot gliding.
So our first stage is to get really comfortable with having the feet on the wrong sides of each other and sustaining a brief moment of two-footed glide so that one day we can start to develop a lovely edge push. So take your time here and really get familiar.
But that is not the only thing that cross rolls are. Cross rolls must also form a serpentine pattern. And so this is our next stage. Once we've got comfortable with the crossed gliding, stepping, skating pattern, we're going to add the swerve and sway from one side to the other. So we're going to think about stepping across from one diagonal to another. So as we're gliding in, we're going to twist a little and think diagonal one way. Get ready to take our next step, twist and diagonal the opposite way. Twist, diagonal, twist, diagonal.
Here we've made the observation angle a follow along perspective to make it really easy to get a sense of what you're trying to achieve. You can see the little twist and curve, cross on 2 feet each time. And here we go, we'll have a little look with the hockey skates as well. We start with a few pushes and then twisting and through to the diagonal each time. So you have a nice clear image of what it is you're trying to achieve.
2 final notes. The first one, we are gradually going to reduce the amount of time that we spend on 2 feet in between each cross roll. So as we've made our step across, we're going to try and release the floor. Now, as we release the floor, we're going to try our very best to let go without allowing the toe pick, and this is my second point, to dig down into the floor. If our heel pops up, our toe pick will fall down into the ice. We'll end up with toe push, which is highly undesirable. So after each step across, releasing the floor, gentle flex to take that foot off, twist and cross, release the floor, twist and cross. And this is our first stage of our forwards cross rolls.